Lit Brick Reviews. This is Clara. I'm Ian.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so the other one that I showed you was
Lit Brick, yeah. So this is Lit Brick Reviews. It's one of our first videos. We're going to be reviewing Jurassic World Lego. Set number 75937. We went to the Lego store today and picked it up. She's really excited about this set. So we're going to dump it out. Oh,
okay,
wow. We got pieces everywhere. They're everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Oh, I haven't done it.
So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to get all the bags ready here. We're going to get them in order. Looks like we have a sticker sheet. And the book. The book. The book.
Stop!
So we got all the bags pulled out of the box. Again, this is Lego 75937.
What's this box right here?
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Hey, I'm an archaeologist, and I just found this Triceratops head. It must have got eaten. The rest of the body must got eaten by a T-Rex.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and build this set. We're going to get it all put together.
We're going to stop here, and then we'll go from all together.
We'll be back.
I'm back. So we finally built it. It took like
some yesterday and
some today. So let me show you the Lego set. So it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, and they're testing the car with the carrot for the Triceratops. But oh no, the Triceratops busted through, and it turns red, and then they're all like. But my dad told me that this is actually incubating the eggs. It's actually movable. So they're all like. Wait. Why does this guy have two happy faces? Let's just put the smiley face on. So he's like, she's like, help. And then he's like, oh, come on. Instead of his happy face, like they're all like, what have you done, Tri-Sari? Like, and then like she is looking over. And then she accidentally breaks the post because she's so terrified. Oh wait, no, because she saved the town, but the dinosaur is struggling to flip back over. But then it finally flips back over, and then is carrots edible for the Triceratops? I have no idea. Dad, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What am I going to do with you, Dad? And then the dinosaur eats the carrots, and then they have the incubator. But he's the main guy that has to work here, so he's not going to ride the incubator. He's just turning it on. So she can go in here. just go have so much fun. And then she can jump in there. She can jump in there. And then, thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time watching this. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe if you like it, and if you want to tell me some questions, just tell in the comments. If you want me to do any more videos, but I have a new rocket ship set, and if you want to go ahead and watch me review that, I can show you it. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.